Alright, we ought to do a gutter clean in a one-story home in Rancho Cordova, California. So we make our way up the ladder and we'll take a look and see what we got in these gutters here.
Now, we know when we initially came here, you can see right there the water in this gutter is overflowing. Why? Oh, sediment down in there. So what we have here is the downspouts are clogged up because there's sediment probably about 1 inch thick.
TERRAINE.com for the supreme clean. Now we're going to do our inspection. That's our west facing plane. This is our east facing plane right there. I'm taking a look in the gutters. A little bit of debris, not too bad. Right towards the end there where it clogs up right there. We had some fruit or some sort down there. That's a power line. It's hot. We ain't going nowhere near that. Sediment all in the back south facing plane.
Okay, so I just wanted to show you here. This is where what causes in a lot of these gutters, you have damming up of the sediment and just the muck and stuff that ends up getting inside the gutter. So you can look, I don't know if you can see that all the way down, but there's sediment. It's probably about 1 inch to 2 or 3 inches thick. So we got to get all that out, and then this will flow clean. Okay, so a lot of it's from just over time, over the year, sediment sets up here, washes down from the valley, right? Granules from off the actual shingles end up coming in here in the heavy rains, and then it ends up damming up like this and stopping the downspouts from flowing clearly. And this ends actually going to turn into paste, so that's why it's good to have it done at least once a year. And if you don't do it, what ends up happening is that the gutters get backlogged or overflow, and then it starts flowing down the wall like that. But you don't want that because your exterior, especially if you have stucco, is very porous. But anyhow, let's go ahead and get this out here and get this all cleared up. TERRAINE.com.
Okay, so we have some sediment there, leaves, all right, the granules, and the gutters about 50 feet. In the back right there, we walk away after we scoop everything out. Go to the other side, got the hose up. That's a hot wire. We're watching out from staying away from that and going nowhere near it. And we rinsed down, right? Rinse that gutter, that south-facing gutter, all the way out, get it all cleaned out. Of course, we manually move all of the sediment, debris, and leaves out. Now this here is the east side of the house right there, and we're flushing everything down, rinsing everything down. This side wasn't too bad, all right? And then once we get everything all cleaned down, and make sure those downspouts are clear of any clogs and draining properly, all right? Now we're on the west side in the front, and on this side right here, we went all the way to the end, and we just shot all the way 35, 40 feet down because we didn't want to try to mitigate and limit any type of sediment getting on that white door. It was all fresh and clean, but of course once we got down, we rinsed the actual gutters themselves, the outside or the face of the gutters, rinse inside the gutters, clean up everything. You see right there, we're rinsing down right there, more sediment coming from underneath that overhang right there.
We got in these gutters, everything all clean. We got the water just flowing, rinsing everything down in the gutter. See the downspouts flowing nice and clear, nothing's obstructing the downspouts from flowing. They're draining properly, as they should. Take a look at them, maybe zoom out some. See that?
Okay, now I'm commencing with our after photos. Look at those gutters. Ooh-wee, that is clean. Another supreme clean by the A-Team. If you're in the Sacramento region looking for professional gutter cleaning experience, goes a long way. Hey, we hope that you would consider us. There's that power line when you're going nowhere near that. Look at inside those gutters. Our client here told us that she had these gutters put on about 5 years ago, and we got them looking clean as the day they were installed. All right, we all wrapped up.
Well, we wrapping up here. Another supreme clean with the A-Team. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Everyone be sure to have a blessed and safe rest of your day. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Till the next time, TERRAINE.com signing out.